Hello everyone. Here also you have to get the sheets, the circular sheets, and let's see what are we gonna do out of them. You have to just carry them on, get the eyes pasted, and then you have to make the wings and the antennas further in this manner, and this is gonna look so cute and adorable. Now get the ball, get inside the balloon, get them stitched in this manner. Further you have to just roll them upwards, and further you have to blow it up, and this is yet ready to go. And here you have to paste the ears, eyes, and make it look so cute and adorable bunny, isn't it? Further, what are we gonna do here? You just have to get the sheet stripes, and again you have to make this ball like structure. Make it a little squeezy. Again you have to make this one to make it spring up. You have to get them pasted on it. Now get the circular sheet, get the cutouts in this form of a cute bunny rabbit, and then you have to paste it on the top of it, and this is yet gonna look so pretty, isn't it? Now here get the heart shape. You have to paste the sheets like this. Get them attached from the middle. You have to paste the plastic spoon, and your cute caterpillars, butterflies are absolutely ready.